Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on the Kuga. So I've had it for a few weeks now. I've got a few little bits and pieces to it, including rubber floor mats and, well, fuel and just driving and getting used to the car. Today I have another bits and pieces to sort, which is, in addition to the floor mats inside the car, I decided to get one for the boot as well. So I'm going to cover over the carpet mats. And I've installed what I purchased, once again, a genuine part from Ford. It's not as good quality as the first one, but it's okay. So, for some reason, I've been driving around with a bouncy castle and a pump. They need to go. So I'll show you what I've bought and let's get it installed. So this is the mat. It is a genuine Ford product. You can see there's the label, and it's a bit plasticky. Like underneath is a little bit plasticky, but there's quite a lot of rubber on top, so hopefully it'll be quite nice. Got Kuga written on it, and that should hopefully protect the boot. It's got a bit of a trade style at the back, so let's get all this stuff out and let's get this installed. And I'm going to do a tip run this morning. Would you care to do the honours? What? Yep. It's a pretty good fit, isn't it?
Looks better than mine.
It does look better than yours. Yours is rubbish.
That bit's annoying though, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I'd have thought they'd have had it cut out. Anyway, look at that. Right, let's load her up for a tip run, and I mean the car, not you. So what I quite like about this, I've just been to the tip, and then I went to the builder's merchant and got some cement to finish my wall, and that's some cement in the car. So just hose it down, and then leave it to dry, go back in the car, and we can protect the back of the car and it's all nice and clean again.
Both do it.
Go on, you can do it. Oh, you missed. Hey, there we go. That's perfect. Now it's pretty much dry-ish. Goes back in. Job done. Do you know what? It's a bit, I was expecting it to be like a thick rubber. It's quite rubbery on the top, plastic on the bottom. But actually, it's a pretty good product. It's quite expensive, it's like 63 quid or something. But I definitely think it's worthwhile, especially for that, where I could just literally take it out and hose it down, and it's clean again. So I can put nice clean stuff in the car and not have to worry about anything going forward. So, job done. Perfect. Next job is actually to wash this car, because white attracts the dirt quite a lot, and this pearlescent white, grim. But yeah, pretty happy so far. In fact, really happy so far. I like this car. Right, a little bit later on in the year, very, very cold, but I just realised I haven't done a outro to this video. So, the mat is in. I've had a fair amount of use out of it this year, and we're now actually in 2024. So, it's been a very good addition to the car. The mud, the rain, the weather, it's all been a bit grim. It's pretty cold at the moment, but we are actually very grateful, and I've put these mats in the car because it's managed to protect the vehicle quite a bit. So the floor mats and the boot mat as well, all genuine products, direct from Ford, either via the shop.ford site or via eBay. I think Trust Ford, I think it was. But yeah, very happy. Took a little bit of time to get the rear boot mat to arrive, which is a little bit of a annoyance, but yeah, it's arrived, it's fitted, it fits great. It's saved a lot of hassle. A bit hard for the dogs. We've been putting a mat on the floor on top of that as well, just to try and give them a bit of extra protection. But yes, very, very happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, as always, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. And we'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Take care. Take it easy.